Okay, y'all, we just got off the Mariner of the Seas. We're in Cozumel. Today's video is all about Cozumel. Hopefully I can do a port tour video as well, so you may get 2 videos out of this. So right next to us, obviously we're on the Mariner of the Seas. Morning, sir. Obviously we're on the Mariner of the Seas if you've been following along with us, but we're right next to Independence of the Seas. Let me turn you around and show you. Independence of the Seas, y'all. There's Meemaw, Tonya, and Grandma. Okay, so when you're between the ships and they make those announcements, it is very loud, like echoes too, so had to cut the camera off a little bit. But this port, compared to the one across the way where you see a Carnival ship over there, this port's a lot shorter, y'all. We get a little closer to the land. When we get out here in front, I'll turn you around and show you both ships. And if you look across there, that's Carnival Valor. That ship was next to us yesterday at Costa Maya. That might be the only ship over there on that port. We'll just have to see. Okay, Independence of the Seas, Mariner of the Seas. Y'all see that we're actually in backwards, they're in frontwards. So this is the forward, this is the back. So y'all, the water here is gorgeous, and I know the camera never does it justice, but this water has got to be some of the most prettiest water. It's so blue. Hey look, there's a fish. Did you see it, Mom? Came up right there?
Oh, I did. Yep, there's black fish.
Yeah. All right, y'all, let's go across. Let's get into Mexico.
Sir, do you have food with you?
No, I don't think so.
It's fine, you can go.
I'll make sure. Oh, I bet he smells this. It's a dead cat. I bet he smells our dead cat.
He wouldn't let you buy it if he smelled it.
He did. He stopped me.
Right, well they smell all the bags.
I know, but then the dog hit it on something. And then he stopped me and asked me if I had food. I said no. He's like, okay, you're good. Which no, I do not have any food in there. We don't smoke, so there's nothing like that in there. So I don't know what he smelled. But he was interested in it.
Where's she at?
Yeah. May have smelled our dog. Our dog was in heat when we left.
Woo-wee.
All right, y'all. Let's try not to stop right in the middle. Yeah, so it does look like Valor is over there by itself. This might be a pretty good view of our ship. So we stopped here at Margaritaville. Let Margaret rest for a minute. So the last time we were on a Royal Caribbean ship, me and Tonya actually hung out here when we got back from whatever we were doing, I don't remember. But we stayed in the bar for probably about an hour, and I mentioned that we were the youngest people in the bar. It was kind of a funny video, but we literally were. Everybody was like above us in age. But today looks a little different. Looks like a lot of young people too. Looks like another excursion line, y'all. None of these shops look open. Diamonds.
Yes. You have diamonds, tanzanite, rubies.
So the ladies are looking at diamonds or some kind of jewels, I don't know. Looks like a mini Walmart. Get all you need in there, some groceries, some medicines. Get your drinks. Vanilla. Me and Tonya were talking about these blankets yesterday. We used to get those in high school when we went to the, like, Padre Island. When we crossed the border. Can't do that anymore as easily. Some more shops. Just little souvenir shops. There's a little kiosk. Some more diamonds, silver. Now this port area, I can't remember what it's actually called. I'll have to look it up here in a minute, but there's a name to it. But it's kind of small compared to the one over there. I think it's Puerto Maya, maybe. It's fairly large. This one's kind of small. Okay, y'all leave it in the comments. Have y'all know anything about these port jewelry stores? It's inside the main port area. So are the jewelry stores here real or fake? Like, or is it mixed? Do you have some fake stuff in there with the real stuff or what? Not really sure, but there are several jewelry stores. So there are several jewelry stores. I'm just kind of curious if all of them are real, like you're not gonna get messed with and it's real stuff, not fake. I'm kind of curious. Y'all leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think. All right, y'all, we are gonna go have us a drink at Senor Frog's and relax so Margaret can rest. Meemaw's been suckered a few times on rings, but she hasn't bought anything yet. She didn't buy, but man, she's been cornered. They'll get you in there, boy. That's hard for them to let you go. Meemaw doesn't have the backbone yet to say no and just walk out. We're gonna stop and have us a drink inside here. I'll show you the outside here in a minute. Okay, so me and Tonya are here at Teila Agogo. We're just gonna have a quick drink while Meemaw and Margaret and Meemaw and Grandma rest a little bit. We've never been in here. Okay, we got a drink called the Rainbow.
The link is at the top.
It's actually a real glass, it's not plastic. That was $25, y'all. It's no longer a rainbow, she's gonna mix it all up.
It's gonna be dirty water now.
Dirty water. Okay, so we are inside this little shop. I'm pretty sure it's the same little shop that they have over on the other Puerto Maya side of the cruise ports over there where Carnival's at. And then it's connected to Ron John. Not a bad little spot. And we are right next door. Right next door is Senor Frog's. Called the International Port. And then that's Puerto Maya over on the Cozumel side, and then down that way is Punta something. I can't remember the name of it either. I need to write all these down so I know exactly what the names are. Yeah, I like this stuff here. This is pretty cool. This guy's pretty talented. Sit there and do it right in front of you. So you have your own special board. Look at that one, y'all. All right, y'all, we are getting back on the ship, so that's it for Cozumel. Kind of probably a quick video, not a whole lot to it. This is a smaller port. The international port's kind of small. Very aggressive vendors, very aggressive. They would not stop pressuring you. Totally different over at Puerto Maya. I don't feel that pressured over there. There's some of that. But every single shop over here pressured you to go in their store. So it was a little ridiculous. Kind of got ridiculous. Yeah, I got it. So let me turn you around and show you the ships one last time. All right, let's get back on and have some lunch. We'll see you guys on the remainder of our ship video. All right, see you on the next video.